this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you recover password on Peacock TV. So for some reason, if you've forgotten your password and want to recover and access your account, you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you want to make sure you're connected to a stable internet and that your application is also updated to the latest version. After you're done updating the app, click on the open button, and here you just need to click on the sign in button. As you click onto the sign in button, you then need to go ahead and enter in your email address associated with your Peacock TV account. Once you're done entering the following information, you'll then be prompted to enter in the password. So now in the password field, what you want to do is underneath you could find try different method, or you could find reset your password or forgot your password. You click onto it and it's going to ask you to type in your registered email or the phone number. You simply enter that and an instruction is going to be sent on the following registered contact info. All you need to do is just follow the prompt and you'll have successfully reset your password on Peacock TV. So that is how you'll be able to reset your password. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.